It's no secret that you are what you eat. Research over the years has shown that a well-balanced diet filled with nutritious foods is your strongest defense against chronic and dangerous conditions such as heart disease, obesity, and diabetes. But did you know the foods you eat can also help you fight illnesses such as the flu? There are certain foods that are known immune system boosters. That means they help your body fight disease. Let's take a closer look at your immune system and which foods affect your body's ability to respond to threats. What is the immune system? The immune system is how your body defends itself from threats from the outside world. This complex system of cells, tissues, and organs identifies when something has entered your body, such as the flu virus. It then triggers an automatic, coordinated response to help you heal, using what is known as your white blood cells. When your immune system is strong, your body is better prepared to fight off sickness. When your immune system is weaker, you are more likely to get sick. Your immune system is also key to fighting diseases such as cancer. In fact, immunotherapy is a treatment that triggers your body's own immune system into attacking cancerous cells. Given its important role in your health, we need to do what we can to keep the immune system strong. Now, let's talk about 10 foods to boost your immune system. Number 1. Berries. With a wide variety to choose from, you can't go wrong adding these little nutrient-packed sweet treats to your regular diet. From local blueberries and blackberries to imported goji or acai, these tiny little morsels are packed with vitamins and nutrients to give you a boost you need. Enjoy them in your yogurt or smoothie or as a less sugary but still sweet option for dessert. Number 2. Fish oil. Fish that have high levels of omega-3 fatty acids such as salmon, tuna, or mackerel are known to increase activity among white blood cells, which fight infection. These healthy fats help your immune system and are also good for your heart and brain too. Number 3. Leafy greens. Dark vegetables such as spinach, kale, and collard greens are known to have high levels of vitamin C, along with antioxidants and beta-carotene, all of which help fight infection. They are also good for your heart, brain, and gut. Number 4. Nuts and seeds. Nuts such as almonds and walnuts, as well as seeds such as sunflower, contain several vitamins and minerals, B6, magnesium, phosphorus, or selenium, that help regulate and maintain your immune system. Add them to your salads or enjoy a handful for an energy-boosting healthy snack. Number 5. Spices. In addition to giving your food some zing, garlic, ginger, and turmeric are ancient spices that have long been considered to have immune-boosting properties to fight infection. So, don't be shy when it comes to spicing up your dishes. Number 6. Citrus fruits. Most citrus fruits, such as oranges, grapefruits, tangerines, lemons, and limes, contain high levels of vitamin C, which is thought to help fight infection by increasing your white blood cells. Whether you eat them whole or squeeze the juice onto your food, don't forget to add these tangy fruits to your regular diet. Number 7. Poultry. Chicken soup is good for more than the soul. Poultry is high in vitamin B6, which can reduce inflammation and is needed in the creation of new red blood cells, and zinc, which increases production of white blood cells. So don't wait until you have a cold to enjoy a warm bowl of comforting goodness. Number 8. Brightly colored vegetables. While we often think of citrus fruits as our source of vitamin C, brightly colored vegetables such as red peppers have even higher levels. The beta-carotene in carrots is also good for your immune system, along with your eyes and skin too. Number 9. Yogurt. This fermented food with its live and active cultures and vitamin D may stimulate your immune system to help fight disease. Look for brands without added sugar and sweeten them naturally with honey or fruit, like berries, for an additional boost. Number 10. Olive oil, a staple in the Mediterranean diet. Olive oil is a healthy fat that is good for your heart and brain. It also gives your immune system a boost through its ability to reduce inflammation in your body. Incorporating these immune-boosting foods into your daily diet can make a significant difference in your overall health and well-being. Remember, a strong immune system is your body's natural defense against illnesses, and by nourishing it with the right foods, you can enhance your body's ability to fight off infections and stay healthy. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips and information on staying healthy. Thanks for watching, and here's to a stronger, more resilient immune system.